Kajala Megalaya Tamanta Kaski Kalai Terek Unaitung Arhaja Arpo, Kadan Karangut Kibayot Tamayu COVID-19. Tangan Nega Step Kuri Kasi Channel Kaladep and Pirmi, Bradan Arngut Kibana Nigrams, but way partner BSF, but Minta Gajan made a dance Kandangut Kishipai BSF Kibla Yo COVID-19. Umindri Katanak Koikakia Jongajalao by El Hek, Heneka Jan made, Ulapante Bakajala Megalaya Kadan Karatliki Kis Tamai, Hakabashi Pong Kidiki Shipai BSF, but Arngut partner Nigrams.
Reported today, there are 12 active positive cases. Today only. Yeah, 12. 10 are from BSF and 2 are from Nigrims. The COVID-19 status in the state of Meghalaya, there are 271 cases. Idon Arspa New Huawei Liki active cases. Ibon positive, Hapo the state Meghalaya Kajongi. Hapo East Khasi Hills, in East Khasi Hills district, we have 236. The BSF personnel we have 182, Air Force 2, others 52. Rimoy district 20, East Gentia Hills 2, West Garo Hills 9, South Garo Hills 2, East Garo Hills 1, North Garo Hills 1, and recovered 46.
Kajala Megalaya had up a Pimi Ekanika Kubor, Kadan Lice Park Kandai the League positive case, Aspa New Pui the League active case, South League recovered case and Niki Blakatno, but Arnwood Kilaklatno. Nakindiki Aspa New Pui the League active case, Aspa Life the League Dana East Khasi District, Hakabashispa Prapu Arnwood Kideki BSF, Arnwood Kishipai Air Force, but Sanpu Arnwood Kiriu Paidba, Kariboy District Kadan Arpo the League active case, West Garo Hills Kadan Kandai the League active case, East Jantia Hills but South Garo Hills Kidan Mar Art the League active case, but East Garo Hills but North Garo Hills Kidan Markaway active case.